sisi league no aso ye de matches in say na esi ekoye so do Blacks etena fie ese ba kuma hoho United omo entimante Asante Doko etena baba yara entena miensa anomo so ye Nations FC entimante ewo bechem nana fosu ji abo bechem United ewo so entena mieno Aduana Stars etimo bako Brekum Golden City entena mieno ana ekwadma Brekum Chelsea Kawela entimi anti baby and Goldstars ese bako ema Vesen enso entimante Dreams FC ebo entena mienu ema Midieba etimu ebako Basake Goldstars womunso ese abako ma young apostles nso entimante eno na matches etoja over the weekend sir yedi hu ko ba sia Ghana Premier League table ne de is about baby and Goldstars essence 48 points and a chromo womun no lead Ghana Premier League na Midiema etoso me with 42 for Asante Doko motoso me ensa and now Heart of Folk with 42 Aduana etoso enum with 41 points Samates atoso Insia with 38 Kawela toso and so with 38 and Basake Goldstars 36 wom toso nwotwe enko Dreams FC Bobo Kono and afi etu and so team and the Pando Heart of Lion 34 points the Chromo Vesen atoso do baako with 34 Nations atoso do mienu with 34 33 for Bechem United omotoso do miensa Dunai Extra do All Blacks with 31 Brekum Chelsea about 15th position with 30 points Ekra Hohoi United and 17 on the leg log no young apostles and the Ochato 30 man 11 wonders. So Ghana Premier League table in the better question is Diana Akoswa Midiema as for Matiti Science Midiema recently and Yaman Koyan Farmer Midiema crack Midiema say womo esai no and come na yeba be and the Ghana Premier League in na fixtures and matches to Ejano Steve Zando good morning.
Yeah, Gabi, good morning.
Na empome ye dear.
Nyame adom bibia boko na monso e.
Boko pa na memo akwa banso.
Na ye ndam ase.
Memo akwa banso.
Mo be supportive program no mane be kama pa. Be kra be hwe.
Okọ wale ba na okawa na timu san fe isi ade. Wate ho. Aka onua no makaye mo.
Bibia be fine. You're in Pabota.
Yeah, on Sano, I fepa.
You're in Pabota. Just done, I think,
what ye name,
Mr. Sports team. Multimedia. Multimedia management is also. I mean, almost all the management members were there. And so I said, I can see a point.
So, walk on back.
We are very fine.
Ye need common cacre, meaning local, and I say, you can't say Premier League, no. Match bang na media me worried kakrao. Yeah,
Media Sporting Club. Well, but first of all, I think Kotokonya a very significant win over the weekend against Nations FC. Before the game, honestly, na me nijidi se Kotoko beat Nations by that margin, 3-0. And especially when na Nation ensure Kotoko. And a Kotoko Nations that in the Ghana Premier League. In the sense of mobile Premier League in no. Na Kotoko ntimi ensure. And so a chess na a game any more ding, especially at the time of Kotoko, any omu coach Zito party ways. Prince Yaousubai I say I quite rough and ne onya results na chere nkoyi. It's been inconsistent. Entina GDN didn't shed anyone himself. So for me, I think the Kotoko players together with the technical team almost surprising to get a 3-goal win over Nations FC and your results. Now here table I said now canon results where they has Kotoko Abeto 3. Yes, what it means is that it's just 6 points separating Kotoko and league leaders Bibiani Goldstars. And so I think that it was a huge win for Asante Kotoko. For us to focus last Friday on ball match has this season the story has been inconsistent. What I say, especially when they are playing at home. Away match against Heart of Lions. But on any day, if you look at the performance of Heart of Lions, especially Omukocha or touchline, Bashir Hayford, now both Hearts of Fukuoka winner, it was always going to be a difficult game for Accra. So a drawn game for Hearts of for me was not bad. But Gabi, I am getting disappointed in Ibrahim Tanko.
And then
yes, Media Sporting Club head coach. I am getting disappointed in them because at a point league no more gap 8 points. In fact, at a point 9 points. Am I enumbi it's not radio Zugaze. Moses Parker pa no league. Na open league one gap 9 points they be ding, especially when teams are not done a chino no munyina consistent has a full Kotoko Bibiani Goldstars so munyina consistent so some of us felt say Mediama Sporting Club Ombeji League, you know. But Gabi, to let go 9 points. Now Bibiani Goldstars be sound home with how many matches to go? Is it about 26? 8 matches to go. Number be sound by 2 points. I'm disappointed in Ibrahim Tanko, and I don't want to believe say or you're comfortable in his seat as head coach of Mediama because Mediama a team where G League. And any name I can say, we big clubs like Hasefo Kotoko free on moi. Team Baku to me bonny team hobra, actually players, yen say yeah the player. Mediama, omuye name money efe. And the coach wabana obo league na at a point, to my point gap 8 points. Now what now and you see, we may blame the players. Sometimes I watch the players and I was like, but that's not the Nkrumah we've been watching, the 4-year guy we've been watching, that's not the 4-year guy we've been watching. But when you coach now selected players in Nkwandi, you will always be sacrificed and you will shoulder the responsibility.
The last 5 matches of Mbabo are na Ebekan Radio, no idea can 6. But the last 5 matches are no mobile to no idea no. Omo about 5 matches are omo winning game cry. Na me dear man winning game. Oma draw me and sa elusumi no.
Gabi, the fact of the matter is that the last time Mediama won a Ghana Premier League match was back in January 2026. It's been almost 2 months. Omo winning Ghana Premier League match. And just like we read the statistics now, in their last 6 matches, Omo winning bio. Enwa, Dreams FC Omo 2-1.
Yeah.
The last match of Omo okay. Exactly. Before that, no more about 3 matches. 3 draw against Samatex. So drew All Blacks, Ediana Stars. And before that, Omulusu against Nations FC.
Yeah.
Gabi, team Opesa Uji League, you don't go 6 game spell without a win. Especially in the context of the Ghana Premier League. Because Ghana League in India, point to be out here. If you all try and have about 6 matches, then you'll be laughing at the wrong side of your mouth. And you see, this morning, I was checking the Ghana Premier League table. Almost in a new different from Accra as a Fuku. If you look at the Premier League table, home form, home form, no crime be a media mother. After 30 matches, I'm about TNA, almost the 8th. 28 points.
Has a crowd there.
What it means is that they've dropped 11. Has the Akasa when they are playing at home. But Mediama Open League Naji and Ghana League, no person would league in a few more than what about 30 matches? 28 points. What drop 11 points at home?
We see the Haji League.
Shadia, Shabibiani Goldstars. What about 30 matches at home? What drop just 4 points? And see, I'm looking at that first.
Yeah.
And you know, away form. Away form is a very, very good, fantastic form. And they are only behind Accra as a folk in terms of the best team on the road.
Okay.
So for me, I don't want to believe Ibrahim Tanko is being comfortable because Media Man is a small team. Pack a both team in Woka. And the OPBA amount. And the OPBA amount, let's say, Ubo League, no, my point gap 8 points, no, my Goldstars score one league. Okay, Goldstars story. Me, yeah, plastic we say do name Manchester. I don't know more. Simple man so quiet. On what matter on more compete we say 2 points. Cause you do what the league ni bidao. And the can't team or the experience of winning the Ghana Premier League. People any Goldstars ka ho. And the Gabi, Mediama Sporting Club omonge come. For Kotoko has the can say me for me omo you win league no. But Mediama Sporting Club they no mo no. I'm getting disappointed in them.
Kofi, my memra so na memfa Black Stars the encounter preko na memra so okay. My memfa Black Stars the encounter preko na memra so. Since Ghana Black Stars were 2 friendly matches about Friday we are Germany Austria ebo and Saturday Monday yene Germany so abo. Na oko vena eho na Black Stars wo mu training no. 21 players na no ada wo mu are reported. Lawrence Atizigi no ada wo training Benjamin Asawi training. Joseph Fanan trainer, Patrick Pfeiffer trainer, Derek Lucasen trainer, and Afe Derek Kohn, Jerome Opoku, Caleb Yerenchi, Kwadwo Opon Pepra trainer, Anna ya can say Opon Pepra by Chile, Emum Opon Pepra Ebeto, Alexander Deku, Anna Eba Chile, Jonas Ajete trainer, Marvin Senenya trainer, Gideon Mensah trainer, and another Elisha Usu Ibrahim Sulemana Kamadi no Kwasi Sibo Jordan Ayo Prince Kwabena Edu Christopher Ba Bonsu Abdul Fatah Isako Antoine Semenyo Kamadin Anna Daniel J we players and no other we mu training Thomas Epate enso adwane team ne eche wo mo maka afe na ye hwese o nso betimi adwane Brendan Thomas Asante Anna Inake Williams so Anna aka
we ye be kan say nkansu kwa
okay
quick update free Black Stars camp e ba ne say Inake Williams and Brendan Thomas Asante o ma pull out because over the weekend I'm picking knock enti Otuado I invite Ransford Yabua Konigsdorfer Hamburger SV forward to place these two players. So what it means is that the confirmation from the GFA then they say enya dia ibenya Abranti and Amranti Efreomo Inaki Williams and Brandon Thomas Asante for these friendlies.
Okay.
But in their absence they invited Ransford Yabua Konigsdorfer.
Okay.
So that's quick update.
Okay, so but as Kofi, my memory so Ghana Premier League ne Black Stars in common na ye hwene ye bitima ma ye tie for na bema.
Na mamidi can be so. Ghana Premier League this weekend team bena a shock you up.
Mami
team a shock me Kotoko. Sana man so
okay, the shock. Okay, in a better way there, and then
but the negative way there.
Negative way there. Sanya media ma there ya o.
On one team action.
Ana.
Gabi, unim. You see how the Ghana Premier League is shaping up.
Because omo makabia, hey, Dabi, Heart of Folk.
Bordraw so kwa we go bordraw.
Heart of Folk kwa we ko bordraw there.
Only Heart of Line is matter. Ba she for net
bet. I think we've
negative way ni dey be no positive way no me to me.
No, but media
Dreams FC.
Yeah.
But Kofi say enya mo na nanu ma wo be kan Dreams say on the form no pick.
Yeah, of course. But unim the shock of Mediama how results started promoting over the last few games.
Okay.
And Omama Goldstars Eben. And like Zando said, no, Goldstars for no experience baby league, you know what GPL. And for me, I think that we need to give a lot of credit to Kwesi Edu and any team because Mekai at the beginning of the season, Abro Musaki from Paul Manson, all of us thought that was quote and unquote a very bad decision. Yeah. But the end seemed to be justifying the means for BBN Goldstars. And Senyami Aradona so Timmy talk us G League now. That will probably be a slap in the face of every local football analyst that said that coach our Africa wouldn't because Edu has told all of us say or he has shown you say or the game Nasi because he is in the game and he knows Sabia coach send over to coach Biaba and then augment the squad to the extent that they will get result for BBN Goldstars. And for me, Senkankuya would have probably just chastised him. So it's important to remember the flowers on the night where he has done a very, very good job for Team Friend. Yeah, I'm not surprised that crowds folk. No. Until as a folk ever top players who can play expansive when they go away from home and then dominate games now. Away games did be bonus say say na did be bono. Obe bon Maresca the NB Emile Lusu match no. It is a draw near cry and draw near from Murphy. That's what we do. Sanebeya because maybe 2 or 3 seasons ago, Hearts were almost in a relegation struggle. So Beka
14th.
Yeah. For this probably is the first season, the Hearts Abo season now. On James or Konda 14th, 10th, next animal. It has been smooth sailing as compared to the last 3. It is important. Say a crowd of folk, any the board, any place will solve every impending issue. No my team top players Abdul Didi Dramani. No team compete on the Ghana Premier League and possibly go onto the African scene to put out a class of folk exactly where they have to be. Now, for Kotoko there, I think that's a very good one for them. Now maybe Zando can say Mr. Kotoko have not been able to beat Nations FC in the league since so mobile.
Yeah.
But the good thing is that Kotoko home from this season has been very good. Kotoko is one of the strongest home teams in Ghana Premier League game. Say even results. So it is good that Kotoko stayed at home and exerted on home form and especially for now in the season. It looks as if there's going to be a new dawn on Kotoko. Board Abba. There's going to be a new management.
Yeah.
This is what the coach has to do. To now steady the ship until the end of the season. If season that's a management bar, whatever direction they want to go, then they go for Kotoko to get whatever they want to do. Yeah, match friendly no preparatory keke. You justify your inclusion in my teams we bring. In fact, we are senior.
Yeah.
Obi on Mosi Wadington, Thomas Tuchel, and Fred Trent Alexander-Arnold. He wants to look at Jarrell Kwanzaa.
Oh, new dada.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
Obo Onoma also okay. Now my friend Ben White's back into the English team. It's about looking at the new players that have not come.
Yeah.
There's an opportunity for Otto to look at the team. They are too worried is that you more progressive players. The good thing is that Ransford you have connected for your 10.
Okay.
And in your team, when you said any proper 10, especially now that Andre has not come, Kudus has not come, no. Seeing your Ransford you have connected for ever be team anymore. He's a 10. Why with the team for a long time? They but on fire.
Yeah.
Maybe this match game Sebeman the confidence that probably makes him settled in more. Ghana Black Stars team. But Sene more fullback Obama something I've not seen before. And only contention kakra on home. Or lineage free Togo. In Tinanko for Jinsu Ibia, Ebeye, Sobeka about the last 3 international games, a Kofre and Ivorian national.
Yeah.
Later one.
Yeah.
But this one, it is as Senaya wants to come or camp, which is good. We can look at him. He right back corner. And shed and P.
Okay.
Now it looks as if we've brought Derek Corn on the left. Senaya can play on the right. Now what it means is that we don't have to play any of our centre backs out wide. So you go with three centre backs and a 3 back with Tuado Bona. Now these 2 players can play as natural wing backs for us. It's a chance for the players and Tuado to look at the boys, understand what they want to do, get the plan for them, and then your body last friendly now of Nyane score now. A better perfect in terms of players or person, my friend.
Okay.
You share the games in Beko. I say you been representation. My information.
Oh yes.
Passports.
Yeah. Ayala ne you kind of saying Richardo Ewo Black Stars.
But Gabi,
Yeah.
you see, a friendly matches, you have to need pre-World Cup friendlies.
Yeah.
So to say what the friendlies you could try new players in quantity or code. I mean, you see, your 3 months, less than 90 days near World Cup. And ideally, so our window also can they try 80% of the players that don't make tournament. So I don't unfortunately say, yeah, most of our key players because of injuries. The same Amanoka say, Kudus and Katimino, Salisu and Katimino. And then they have a confirmed Brandon Thomas Asante and Inaki Williams.
Yeah.
Aside that, your couple of regular players are almost got issues, including the deputy captain Thomas Partey.
Yeah.
Ideally, second players not available. Anka, I would expect Senko to have the better try about 80% of the players that don't go World Cup. It is a should that they play out, they be out, neighbor so net enough, I could try new players. No, we don't do that. That's why I mean it about Tuki on Yadrin. Oh, the trend is 12 years. Say Trent, why one of the best right backs in England. So also try Jarrell Kwanzaa and other players, but it shouldn't affect your regular player. And I think I also got the Hurricane Trevi. They make an what I say. So I'm saying that
Zando Oshe Black Stars now, you have a problem with your defense. We have not gotten the right back that has dominated the place. Right, left back what dominated area. Until for almost every country on because Hurricane don't know automatic. Yeah, but also be to say Thomas Tuchel about 3 back. So about 3 back upper wing back. Trent Alexander no they be fruity in terms of size. And so when Jarrell Kwanzaa can be trying. You understand? And for us, just say na any con. It's a pre-World Cup preparation, but mind you, there's going to be another friendly before then. Okay. That is where Ubenya almost 80 or 90% of a World Cup squad,
Okay.
Else after now you have the chance to look at them.
Mama me na me homla na ye ento adwumadi so abusia ye ba sie ye beto aso e de ama.